Hello everyone, welcome back to this machine learning playlist. In the previous video, we have looked at different types of machine learning systems and how different problems can be solved with machine learning. Today, we are going to be looking at an interesting question. Do post your thoughts on how a learning model uh, can be built. Is it whether with a good algorithm or with a data, right? Do post your thoughts on which has a higher weightage, right? Please do feel free to post your thoughts on whatever you think. So consider a scenario where there are two children who have been given textbooks, one having a well written and all pages, all the data clean and visible and readable, and another student given a textbook, some pages are missing and tampered and not readable. Now consider a teacher teaches them all the respective chapters and all the needed things. So who do you think performs the better, right? So the one, it should be the one with the best data or the best textbook, right? The other one might have his pages missing, and that might be his issue of having to perform good, right? Do post your thoughts on this. I have a small code snippet here. I have created this data and directly imported into a pandas library, as you see here, pd.readcsv. And I am also looking at the shape of this data just to give a quick understanding to whoever is having to analyze this machine learning data. It shows the columns and the type of data, like a number or a floating number, uh, right? Or any type of strings or whatever it is, right? Scores and such things. So I have done these few set of actions, like checking duplicates, missing values like not number or not available or whatever it is, and checking the different data types as you see here, and also having to create some if loops just to uh, this can be anything. If there might be less than 1000, it might be insufficient data for some, and any missing data, I have printed it out, duplicate data and non-numeric values, and implausible age was detected. Like for example, 1000 is not a age that a person can have, right? So such data I have added with conditions, right? uh, this should show all these characters like insufficient data, non-representative data, like age having a number of 1000 or not a number or whatever it is, poor quality data like some education value is missing, and such things, right? Irrelevant features, like columns, some columns which doesn't really require us to use in this machine learning model are irrelevant features. So yeah, these are some common patterns or identifications that we should do when working with data, right? There would be next set of things, like we are also going to be looking at overfitting and underfitting in the upcoming session, and also how to split a data to a training set, a validation set, and also testing set, right? So those are something that are coming in future. But yeah, know fact that in machine learning and artificial intelligence or data science fields, most of the time about 70% or more is spent in having to work with data, cleaning data, analyzing data and such stuff before even having to build a machine learning model, right? So that's a common pattern, or that's a common thing that you would see. So hope you found this video helpful. If you are enjoying this series, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Also share this to anyone that is interested in learning machine learning. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.